Aloha, you got Lanai with another edition of Wikibites presented by Times Supermarket. Today I'm going to teach you how to make tako poke. All right, I'm just going to cut up some green onions here. Tako means octopus in Japanese, and of course the Hawaiians just adopted that word and we use it all the time. So whenever you hear us saying we're going to make or eat tako poke, it's not the Mexican version, okay? I got 1 pound of tako here. I'm just going to put these green onions in there. It's a really simple recipe. We love to eat this when we're drinking beer or having appetizers or poo-poos. I'm gonna put some red chili flakes. I got some sesame seed. By the way, you can find all these ingredients in the Asian section in your store or Times. We're gonna put some sesame oil. We got oyster sauce. We got some garlic powder. This is really good, by the way. You're gonna love this. Somin soup base is what we're gonna put in here. And then we got some chopped up ogo or limu. Pretty easy. And if you can't find ogo or limu where you live, look in the dehydrated section of seafood or the Asian section of your store, Times. And it's really good stuff. It's kind of how poke was originally made with limu or seaweed. And that's it. Just gonna mix it up like that. And let's taste this. Limu tako poke. Oh no.